We have exercise 28 by body of device. Now first of all we study this sketch. We start from this drawing from this side because that is easy for us in the Creo modeling. Now we make this front shape and extrude up to 70 mm. Then after we make this slot throughout, and at the last we make this hole. So first of all we start from the 180 by this profile sketches. Open the Creo, select sketch, select right plane. So here we make the (180). This is the half of 180 mm. The total height of this sketch is 80 mm. So make it 80 mm, and this one is the half of 80. Now make this height 50 by 30 mm, and this one is a 35 mm. So select line, give the dimension. This height is 55, this one is a 30 mm. From this 35 mm. Now the length of this middle portion is not given but calculated 180 minus 30 mm, and this one is a minus 32 mm. (118). Enter here. Now this small portion is not given but it take 4 mm. The height of this one is 50 mm. From this one bottom edge 50 mm. Now make it radius here. Select (35). Delete this one. Delete this one. Now select the line. Select the circle. The radius 28 Now trim the line. Okay. Select extrude, select center plane, enter 70 mm, 70 mm. Okay. Now make the slot here. So select the sketch, select this face. Okay. The both side edge is 20 mm, the height is 20 mm, and the middle slot is not given, but these both are 22 mm, so 2 mm inside. Select rectangle, $20 mm, so height is 20 mm, coincide with this one, this edges. Now the another rectangle, from this edge 22 mm, also from this edge 22 mm, and height is 20 mm. This one is a 22 mm and height is 20 mm. Select trim, okay. Select extrude throughout, remove the material. Now make these features, the radius 15 mm and M15, all at the 25 mm center from this edge. Select sketch, select this face, draw the circle, mm diameter. Select coincide, draw the one horizontal line, select trim, now extrude to selected, select this face, okay. Now make here M15 hole, draw the .50 mm diameter hole, select coincide, take into center, and from this edge 25 mm. Okay, select extrude, opposite direction, now our body exercise is done. Thanks for watching this video.